Hi, hello, this is Chris from 10K Tech, and today we are going to do a graphic card upgrade. Yeah, enjoy! So of course the computer is unplugged, the monitor is unplugged, and now I'm going to start to do this. Alright, let's go. So I removed already the thumb screw, and I want you to see, you know how to do that. And secure the card. This is a toolless, alright, but you may have to unscrew the screw here on your card and then just pull. And this is about it. Okay, so that's the one I'm going to replace. As you can see, it's pretty limited in ports, but it does work. It did, at least for me. Okay. And now we are going to put this one in. Alright, I already removed this. This I don't need it because I'm going to use the HDMI, but alright. So it goes upside down. I align it, and you should hear a click soon. There it is. Then I just have to make sure that this goes in properly, and you should hear a click. Okay, there it is. One. I thought it was going to be easier. Well, it will come easier, don't worry. Okay, so I had to go and take a tool, alright, and my tool is this. I'm going to use this to make this stick. You will hear a click normally when it's in. You will see, okay. One. And two, and now the card doesn't move. So all I have to do now is to pull the connectors. Alright, I have 1x6 and 1x8. Okay, so once I put it in, alright, like this, the 8-pin connector is in, and now the 6-pin connector, and that's about it. It's as simple as that. For the cable management, I will see that later. For now on, I will back the cover, and we will run a test and see how it is. Thank you.